Hey, I'm Matt Shannon, and this is another episode of Trek West. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Juan De Fuca Trail. It is located here on Vancouver Island. It is 47 kilometers long, starting at China Beach and going to Botanical Beach in the north. The Juan De Fuca is an amazing trail. It's got hiking through dense forest, to tall trees, to bushes and swamps, across wooden bridges and platforms, and split logs.
Do you think you could take a photograph of that guy?
So my wife and I decided to hop on a motorbike to Botanical Beach, and we dropped off one of the vehicles there, drove south down to China Beach, and then started hiking from the south back up to Botanical Beach. Can't touch it. Da, 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 da. Can't touch it. So let's do a breakdown of what equipment I bring on the Juan De Fuca Trail. Oh, it's tiring. This here is my favorite lens for landscape photography. It is a 14 to 24 millimeter lens, 2.8 aperture. Set that on a tripod, so I bring a tripod with me. Any of the drone footage that you see is done by this guy, the Maverick Pro. Set the timer on here on the camera settings, and I set it to 10 seconds. For 3 seconds I click it, and that way on the tripod, if it's rocking or moving around, it has a few seconds to settle down, so every little movement counts. And then I take a nice open shutter. This is more important when it comes to, say, night photography, photography of the stars in the Milky Way, and light painting. It's nice to be able to have the stars all nice and clear, and to do some light painting like of TrekWest.
A couple kilometers in.
Shannon Beach.
Yeah, it's looking beautiful. And we've got tide charts. What time is it?
Along some of these beach walks, you're going to make sure you're going to want to look at a tide chart so that you are timing the tides at low tide so you can walk along the beach safely. Even when you're walking along the beach, just be aware of the big stones and rocks and slippery holes that you might hurt yourself on.
See the bear pooping?
Why is he coming down to see us? Do we smell good?
And this is the print along the Juan De Fuca Trail, Mystic Beach. And this frame, after it gets matted, will sit in there nice and perfect like.